YouTube channel is all about. The Pandemic Diva, glamping. You know, this whole thing started when the pandemic started and I was looking for some safe holiday. So I got this tent and decked it out and it kept growing and I got really involved in it, having a lot of fun with it. Now, many of you may not know this, but then again, why should you? But I have a culinary arts degree. I had a cooking school, a TV show, and radio show on food, so I should have some camp cooking on my channel, don't you think? Well, I'm gonna start that, and here's a preview. Now that was all in one fry pan. That's the concept of my camp cooking. It's gotta be super easy, well, especially when it comes to cleanup. Simple, but still gourmet. Don't you think it's time I change my name from the Pandemic Diva to something else? Well, I did. It's now the Traveling Gourmet, although I'll probably change it another week or two to something else again. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I could use your help. So I hope you'll keep watching my videos because I'm going to bring you more. And I love your suggestions, your comments, your ideas. Keep those coming as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. That way you can find my videos. And if you want to see the inside of my glamping tent, then check it out on my channel. Thanks for watching.